If you want to start a YouTube channel, there's only one thing that you are going to need to do to start making videos, and that is to press record. Of course, you can't make YouTube videos unless you record a video. And when you press record to start filming your first YouTube video, what that's going to do is it's going to break the cycle. And what cycle am I talking about? I'm talking about the cycle of fear. The cycle of feeling like you have to feel like a professional to start recording on YouTube. You don't have to record like a professional. I'm not a professional. I'm an amateur. There's plenty of amateurs on YouTube. So every time you press record and you upload your video to YouTube, you are giving yourself a chance. And what chance are you giving yourself when you upload to YouTube? You are giving yourself a chance to gain 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and to be possibly monetized on this platform to make AdSense money if that's why you are on this platform. But if you don't press record, it's simply not going to work for you. And I know there's a lot that don't want to be on camera. And honestly, I didn't want to be on camera either. I'm like, do I really want to be on camera? Do I really want people to see me? But you know what? This is my hobby. I do this for fun, and I do this to try and help others. And I want to grow my YouTube channel, and I want to help you grow your YouTube channel as well. So just press the record button. All you need is a cell phone. I'm using my iPhone 16 Pro without a microphone. I am not using a microphone. I jack up the volume by using CapCut. So this is all you need. This is all you will need to start making YouTube videos. But again, if you're not going to press record and break that cycle of professionalism, it's just not going to work for you. You don't have to be a professional to start making YouTube videos here on YouTube. You can grow your YouTube channel with just using your cell phone. I have grown my YouTube channel by just using my cell phone. Of course, I had the fancy gear, the lenses, the cameras, the microphones. In all honesty, you don't need them. And I actually made videos about that. So I need you to watch the video that's going to pop on the screen, because this is the video that YouTube is telling you to watch next. Later.